As temperatures rise this summer, we expect to see higher energy bills. But this summer, your utility bills could skyrocket.
Yeah, that's the reality. Tariffs and the ongoing trade war impacting costs across the board for HVAC companies. WVTM 13's Maya Caleb is joining us in studio this morning. So Maya, how else will customers be impacted?
Well, Scott and Carla, customers will be looking to keep their thermostat temperature low, but they may not be able to do the same for the cost of an HVAC unit if it needs replacing. Etheridge Heating and Air telling us that while a lot of the products they use are American made, several parts for units are imported. The manufacturer passes the cost from the tariffs on those parts to the businesses, and the businesses pass it on to the customer. But the tariffs aren't the only factor. HVAC companies are also facing a coolant shortage.
I've seen upwards of 15, 16, 18% price increases to us, the dealer or contractor. How much of that is added on to the customer, you can do some math, and it's a lot. A basic small system now, it could be anywhere from $7,500 to $8,000 up to $15,000, $20,000.
Another factor is a mandated change on refrigerant for HVAC units. The EPA implemented this change at the beginning of the year to cut down on greenhouse gas emissions. Back to you.